नमस्कार. प्रश्नकालाक सुरुवात करूया. तारांकित प्रश्न.
Speaker sir, a correction. Speaker sir, under Rule 49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Goa Legislative Assembly, I would like to make the correction at heading in annexure C of Start LAQ number 4A, division-wise detail of meters installed from 1/4/2012 till date and availability of meters may be read as division-wise detail of meters installed from 1/4/12 till 18/3/2013 and availability of meters.
विधिमंडळाचे रुल्स ऑफ प्रोसिजर 49(2) खाली बिनतारांकीत प्रश्न 87 फुडले तारखेक 12 एप्रिलाक पोस्टपोन करपाची परवानगी मागता.
ठीक आहे. तारांकित प्रश्न क्रमांक 1 श्री विश्वजित राणे.
Star question 1C.
सी.
उत्तर छापील प्रमाणे.
Speaker sir, on record here I have got pertaining to eco-tourism projects cleared by Town Planning Department. 4 projects that have been cleared. One is in anticipation of being cleared. I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister is that most of these projects have been cleared, if you look at it as early as 21/9/2011. I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister is that how many of these projects have got construction licenses till date?
I am not aware because that is Panchayat. So
No, construction license from TCP. Approval has to come from TCP.
NOC.
NOC from
Technical
TCP.
clearance.
Yes. How many such projects have got clearance from TCP?
पहिल्याक मेळ्ळा, दुसऱ्याक मेळ्ळा, तिसरो आनी चवथो प्रोसेसान आहा.
Speaker sir, I think there's some confusion because whatever information I have received, none of the construction plans of these projects have been approved because they require CRZ clearance also. I just want to know from Honorable Chief Minister is that have the construction plans of these projects under ecotourism, which you have cleared, have the construction plans been approved? The reason is, I'll come to the point later.
स्पीकर सर, जें कितें टॅक्निकल क्लियरन्स टावन प्लॅनिंगा कडच्यान लागता तें आमी ह्या 2 प्रोजेक्टांक क्लियर केला. तिसरो आनी चवथ्याचो अभ्यास चालू आहा, प्रोसेस चालू.
Speaker sir, the reason why I'm asking this question is very important. There are projects right from Pedne onwards to different right to Kankon. It's a good policy of ecotourism getting it cleared. But I want to know from Honorable Chief Minister is that according to my information, they have not, Honorable Chief Minister has clarified, but they have not yet got construction license. And my question is, all these are hotel projects. This is a very good way to move forward in terms of tourism related projects, which I think it's a good way forward. But then how many such projects under ecotourism have been cleared? I'm related asking you, it may come under CRZ, but it's not enough only for town planning to get it cleared. Last 10 years, such projects have not got clearances from the CRZ. For the last 10 years, this is as per what I have been finding out as of today. And the reason why I am saying this is that if we need to go forward on this tourism and ecotourism policy, which is a good policy, what will the government do to simplify this procedure so that this does not only remain on paper?
हाजेर CRZ आहा पळय, ताका जे कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा ते CRZ ऑथॉरिटी कडच्यान घेवचें पडटा. टावन प्लॅनिंग कॅनॉट इंटरफियर विथ दॅट. There are certain issues which can be cleared by local CRZ. Normally around below 20,000 can be cleared by local. ताजे वयर जे आसता पळय ताका एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट बी सगळो करून सेंट्रल CRZ ऑथॉरिटी कडच्यान आफ्टर लोकल रिकमेंड्स इट तांचे कडच्यान घेवचें पडटा. त्यामुळे टावन प्लॅनिंगाच्या अंडर CRZ येवचें ना. सरकार म्हणून कितें करूंक सोदता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इको टू सेन्सिटीव एरियेन कमी FAR आशिल्ले प्रोजेक्ट, हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट आसत जाल्यार ते जावपाक कांयच हरकत ना अशें सरकाराचें मत आहा.
Because what I want to ask Honorable Chief Minister, I have understood this particular aspect, but my third thing is, none of these projects have started construction. These projects were cleared. These projects are revenue generation projects, indirect employment also will be cleared. Will the Honorable Chief Minister, since you're now getting into the regional plan on rectification and other things, find a way, because here I was told that as there's minimum 2 lakh square meters is given, and I have not received that guidelines. I had asked the Secretary of Legislature also. Annexure C, irrespective. But what I want to ask you and request the Honorable Chief Minister ask a question is that in view of this particular way of moving forward on ecotourism projects, will the Honorable Chief Minister look at reducing this 2 lakhs, not keep it and go case by case on this particular issue instead of keeping 2 lakhs as a benchmark for ecotourism project based on the board or having some sort of expert appraisal and then going forward? And second thing is, what will the government do in order not to keep these clearances only on paper and ensure that these projects move forward in the interest of the state?
स्पीकर सर, पयलीं म्हणजे ताणें जें हाज्या सी एनेक्शर सी ताका मेळून ना पळय, ती कॉपी ताका हांव आतां चुकून म्हाका दिसता एटॅच जाली ना. इफ यू वॉन्ट यू कॅन हॅव दीस कॉपी. इट इज पार्ट ऑफ द बूक ऑफ RP. त्या CRZ हातून किंवा इको ट्युरिजमाचेर जे प्रोजेक्ट जाता ताका पळयशी जर तूं जाल्यार पयल्या हाका 25 फेब्रुवारी 2013 फायनल एप्रुवल मेळ्ळा मायनर करेक्शन करून. दुसऱ्या हाका 9/3/2012 मेळ्ळा. म्हणजे ही जी एप्रुवलां आसा टावन प्लॅनिंगाची ती वर्च्युअली 1-2 म्हयन्याची आसा. दो द डिसिजन वॉज टेकन इन 11, देर आर सम क्वेरीज लेफ्ट. दोज हॅज बीन एन्सर्ड फॉर दीस 2 एंड दे हॅव बीन क्लियर्ड फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेसींग. 3 आनी 4 ची हे प्रक्रिया चालू आसा. फुडल्या एका म्हयन्या 1.5 म्हयन्या भितर तांची प्रक्रिया पूर्ण जातली. बेजिकली हातून जो दुसरो प्रश्न विचारलो की 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर जी आसा ती रिजनल प्लानाचो भाग असल्यामुळे जेन्ना रिजनल प्लान हांव आतां जे सांगलें जून म्हयन्यान उगडटा, त्या रिजनल प्लानाच्या उगडच्या वेळार ताजेर विचार करपाक येता. म्हणजे कितें मायनर मॉडिफिकेशन करूंक जाय बी जाल्यार. पण ताका सद्या रिस्ट्रिक्शन आहा ती मिनिमम एरिया शूड बी 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर. मॅक्सिमम FAR इज 10%. Subject to again maximum of 40,000 square meter, 1+1 construction, eco-sensitive zone of the structure, no structure can be constructed on slope or eco-sensitive area. Green building concept is compulsory. Development in non-eco-sensitive areas only. हे condition असल्यामुळे basically this is a low construction, low height, 1+1 स्ट्रक्चर असल्यामुळे लो हायट आणि मोस्टली ग्रीन आशिल्लो असो तो रिसॉर्ट टायपची स्ट्रक्चर जावंक शकता.
Speaker, sir, I just wanted, Honorable Chief Minister, my final question is that because everybody cannot own large lands like this, there are concepts also of boutique hotels which the state needs to look at in order to promote tourism. So my only request, I just want assurance from Honorable Chief Minister that he will consider looking at this particular expense, relaxing this particular thing of 2 lakhs on a case-by-case basis by the board. If some sort of provision be put in the regional plan when you rectify, that you will keep the powers with the board so that you can take it on case-by-case on whatever you want to do.
Speaker sir, या संदर्भात इन्व्हेस्टमेंट पॉलिसीचो टास्क फोर्स as promised in the budget has been already notified on 25th. बजेटापासून 7 दिसां भितर आमी सांगलेले की आमी नोटिफाय करता, त्यामुळे 7 दिसां भितर नोटिफाय केले. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट बोर्ड can formulate a policy on this because they are not only for industries. Though primarily it is under industry, it will also take a call on tourism and IT investment. So it is basic and even infrastructure investment. So investment policy guideline जी मे महिन्यापर्यंत लोकां खातीर उगडी येतली आणि मे बी अनदर 15 days it will be finalized. त्या पॉलिसीन भितर हे कॉन्सेप्ट्स how to make them transparent also will be properly indicated. We are not experts on everything. So this has to be done by experts, and experts who don't have any political linkage. Real experts. जे कमर्शियली ज्यांच्याकडे ज्ञान आशिल्ले लोक बसून जे एक म्हणजे एजन्सीज असतात तांच्या मार्फत मोठे मोठे आहा KPMG युअर PwC अशे अनेक कंपनी आहा की ज्यो हे एनालिसीस करूंक शकता. अशा कंपनी कडच्यान एनालिसीस करून तो विषय करपाक येतलो. हांव आत्तां आश्वासन दिवंक शकना बिकॉज द टास्क फोर्स हॅज टू डिसायड.
फुडलो प्रश्न श्री मायकल लोबो.
I may be permitted to ask question number 2A.
ask. 2A.
Speaker, sir.
No, no.
उत्तर छापील कागदपत्राद्वारे.
Speaker, sir. This question is regarding fake and misrepresented ration cards in Kalangut constituency. Speaker, sir, गेल्या सेशनान, असेंब्ली सेशनान, म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिल्ले ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान की that he is going to identify all the fake ration cards which were issued to migrants in Kalangut constituency. Whether investigation is done in this matter or no, म्हाका हे answer जाय.
Speaker sir, during last assembly session, Honorable Member Michael Lobon so question kello ki regarding fake ration card in Kalangut constituency आणि त्याच्या संदर्भात आम्ही dated 22/11/2012 डिपार्टमेंटान मामलेदाराक डायरेक्शन दिल्लें की तूं इन्क्वायरी करचे आनी आमकां रिपोर्ट सबमीट करचो म्हणून. आनी म्हाका दिसता मामलेदारान 29/11/2012 तुजे कालांगूट, कांदोली, आरपोरा, नागवा ह्या तुज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ज्यो पंचायती येता ह्या सगळ्या पंचायतांनी जे तलाठी आहा ह्या तलाठ्यांक डायरेक्शन दिल्लें की जो जे तुज्या प्रश्नाचें उत्तर आहा म्हणजे फेक रिगार्डींग फेक रेशन कार्ड हेचें आमकां डिटेल्स जे हे आहा ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट सबमीट करचो म्हणून.
मागीर कितें जालें तुजे कडेन येयलें ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जे स्टार्ट जाल्ले पळय ते तुजे कडेन येयलें रिपोर्ट येयला तेजो. दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस मॅटर स्पीकर सर. आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन गेल्या गव्हर्मेंटाच्या टर्मान रेशन कार्डां 5-5 हजारांक विकलेलीं आसा. हे जे मायग्रंट्स आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन रावता तांकां उणे 500 ते 700 रेशन कार्डां विकलेलीं आहात आनी तेणी कॅन्सिलेशन आपल्या गांवांसून हाडूंक ना. सो दे आर हॅव्हिंग 2 रेशन कार्ड्स, वन इन देअर नेटिव्ह प्लेस अँड वन इन गोवा. हिंगा क्वेश्चन हो आहा की जे आमच्या गोंयान जे सिव्हिल सप्लायज जे आमकां वस्तू दिता, शुगर जावं कितें जावं इवन केरोसीन, हे तांकां डबल बेनिफीट मेळता. हे रेशन कार्डाची चवकशी आयज पासून कित्याक करूंक ना आनी हेका जबाबदार कोण? ही रेशन कार्डां कोणें विकल्या? सगळे आख्खे गोंयभर लोक जाणा की रेशन कार्डां विकलेलीं म्हणून. 7 वर्सां पयलींसून स्टार्ट जाल्ले आहा. 1 वर्स जालें आतां हे बंद जाल्लें आहा. तांकां कोण जर गोंयांत रावंक येता जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी गांवांतले कॅन्सिलेशन हाडचें पडटा आनी हिंगासून मागीर व्हेरिफिकेशन वयता आनी व्हेरिफिकेशन कन्फर्म जालें काय रेशन कार्ड मेळता तांकां. Anybody can have ration card anywhere. I can go to Bombay and have my ration card there, but I have to cancel it here and take it there. Is this investigation going to continue? आता 1 वर्स जालें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आहा म्हणटा. कितें हें केलां तेचें?
स्पीकर सर, जे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट आमी मामलतदारान तलाठ्या कडेन मागलोलो आनी तलाठ्यान मामलेदाराक रिपोर्ट धाडला त्याच्या संदर्भात हांव 4 वळी वाचून दाखयतां. एज पर इन्फॉर्मेशन रिसिव्ड फ्रॉम मामलेदार ऑफ बार्देस, so far no fake ration card have been detected. Considering the nature of the allegations, there are no specific input and therefore it is extremely difficult to locate any bogus ration card. Also due to shortage of manpower and overburden work with the village talatis, it is difficult for them to take house to house drive to check each and every card to detect bogus ration card, if any.
Speakers,
हांव सांगता, हांव उलयतां मागीर सांग. स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मेंबरान